little aggressive to be thinking that we're going to get something done. And so I think, down 2%, maybe potentially more from here, probably makes a little bit more sense. We've had a very good run so far this year. Earnings numbers are okay for the large cap side, not as good down cap. I think, a lot of good stuff has been reflected in stock prices already so far this year. So a pause of 5+% probably isn't unlikely.
Steve, you're an expert on small and mid caps. So when it's a week of big macro fears, trade fears rather than domestic US, would you expect to see more of an outperformance in your small and mid cap names than we've seen?
Well, there's a couple of things. First of all, if it's risk off, small cap's not going to outperform, just because it's risk off environment and small's more risky. The other big thing is that, small caps are suppliers to large cap companies. A lot of them are. And if the large cap companies get dented because of China fears, the smaller companies are also going to get hit. With that said, over the last couple of weeks, we've actually started to see a little better performance for small cap as the economic news has started to come in a little bit better than expected. So we're kind of playing a little bit of a catch up, but small caps outperformed by over 500 basis points for the first 8 weeks of the year. So, you got a little bit of give back, and now you're kind of outperforming from that point.
Eugene, it sounds from the notes that you're also pretty skeptical and cautious here about the trade risk and hiding out in the larger defensive stocks. What do you like right now?
Well, Sarah, I like everything that Stephen just said. I think that you can hide on large cap names with large, safe, big balance sheets, great dividend payers. I like the pharmaceutical sector. In case we don't get a China trade deal, I think that we'll get a much larger sell-off than we've seen so far. And I'd much rather be in large, liquid names that have the earnings power and balance sheets to survive the downturn, to survive to the other side.